Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video ay ituturo ko sa inyo yung continuation ng Chapter 1 which is all about conic sections. This time, it is about parabola. Under the parabola, we have finding the standard equation of a parabola given with certain conditions. Ang ating pangalawang condition is given with general equation. It is like converting the general equation into standard equation of a parabola. Let's start with example number 1. Example number 1. Find the standard equation of a parabola if the general equation is x squared minus 8x minus 10y is equal to 34. The solution will be converting using completing the square. Isulat ulit natin yung original given na general equation. X squared minus 8x minus 10y is equal to 34. Ang gagawin natin is i-group muna natin sa left side yung x variable. So we have x squared minus 8x sa left. Then on the right side, ilalagay natin yung constant at yung may variable y. So dahil ito ay 34 na nasa kanan, mananatili siyang 34. Pero yung negative 10y ay magiging positive 10y. Therefore, ang nasa kanan natin is 10y plus 34. Next, dito na natin i-apply yung completing the square. Maglalagay tayo ng third term dito, kaya ito ay magiging x squared minus 8x plus the third term. Then dahil kung ano yung makukuha natin sa third term, i-add din natin sa kanan. So magkakaroon tayo sa kanan ng 10y plus 34 plus the third term. Kunin natin yung third term nito. Ito ay negative 8 divided by 2. The answer is negative 4. Then negative 4 pag in-square ay magiging 16. Therefore, ito ay magiging 16 at ito rin ay magiging 16. Kaya, x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 10y plus 34 plus 16. Then, isimplify natin. Ito muna ang isi-simplify natin, 34 plus 16, which is 50. Kaya, x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 10y plus 50. On the left side, ito ay gagawin na nating binomial na nakasquare. Ang factor nito is dalawang x minus 4, kaya ito ay x minus 4 squared. Ito naman, ang gagawin natin ay ifa-factor out natin yung 10 para magkaroon tayo ng y plus k. So ito ngayon ay magiging 10 times the quantity of y plus 5. Kasi 10 times y is 10y, then 10 times 5 is 50. Therefore, ito na yung ating standard equation. The quantity of x minus 4 squared is equal to 10 times the quantity of y plus 5. Let's have one more example. Example number 2. Find the standard equation of a parabola if the general equation is y squared plus 8x minus 2y is equal to 23. The solution will be converting using completing the square. Isusulat muna natin yung original given. Y squared plus 8x minus 2y is equal to 23. Dahil ang nakasquared sa atin ay y variable ang ilalagay natin sa left. So i-group natin yung y squared at saka negative 2y. So y squared minus 2y. And on the right side, may iwan yung 23, itatranspose natin yung 8x magiging negative 8x. Kaya ang right side natin is negative 8x plus 23. Dito na tayo magko-completing the square. Ito ay lalagyan natin ng third term, kaya siya y squared minus 2y plus the third term. Kung ano yung third term dito, ilalagay din natin sa kanan. Kaya ito ay magiging negative 8x plus 23 plus the third term. Kung ano yung magiging sagot dito, i-add din natin dito. Kunin natin ang third term nito. Ito ay negative 2 divided by 2. The answer is negative 1. Negative 1 pag in-squared ay positive 1. Kaya ito ay y squared minus 2y plus 1. So dahil 1 ito, ilalagay din natin yung 1 dito. So is equal to negative 8x plus 23 plus 1. Then proceed to simplification. Ito muna ang sisimplify natin, 23 plus 1. Kaya y squared minus 2y plus 1 is equal to negative 8x plus 24. On the left side, gagawin natin siyang binomial na naka-squared. Ito ay factorable ng y minus 1 times y minus 1. Kaya siya y minus 1 squared. And on the right side, ifa-factor natin yung negative 8 para magkaroon tayo ng x plus h. Ito ay magiging negative 8 times the quantity of x minus 3. Dahil negative 8 plus times x rather is negative 8x. Negative 8 times negative 3 is positive 24. Therefore, ito na yung ating standard equation. Y minus 1 squared is equal to negative 8 times the quantity of x minus 3.